Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word disregard. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Please disregard the previous memo as it contained incorrect information. Disregard means to ignore or pay no attention to something. It implies not taking into consideration or disregarding something as unimportant or irrelevant. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.